Hey, this morning's Money Watch. Good news in these tough times, in this tough economy. With spring right around the corner, many people will be heading out hoping to buy a house. With prices down and mortgage rates heading lower again, is this the right time to buy? Here with details is CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis. Good to see you, Rebecca.
Hey, Chris.
So mortgage rates we've seen at all-time lows earlier this year, which signals to some good time to buy. How are they holding up now?
Well, they're actually heading lower again, Chris. And what you saw throughout most of 2010 is mortgage rates closer to 4% on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. Now they are closer to 5%, but they're coming down a bit. 4.87% is the average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. But a lot of analysts think they could be going up again.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
How about home prices? How are they holding up?
Well, home prices are a big concern for many economists because we're beginning to see the signs of a double dip. If you look here, in 2006, home prices hit their peak. By 2009, they see that trough right there. Well, here you see in 2011, they've actually turned around again. They are heading lower again, and that can be a significant concern because if we see prices continue to head lower, then of course the housing market continues to head lower.
You bring up that double dip. Let's spotlight some places across the nation where we're seeing that double dip again in home prices, where they plummeted once and now they're kind of dipping again.
Yeah, first off, the median home price in this country is $158,800.
Yeah.
That's the median home price in this country. Where we are seeing the most significant downward pressure is interesting because it's really throughout the country, from the Midwest, where you have Chicago and Detroit that are heading lower, to the East, where you have New York, Charlotte also heading lower. And then in the West, nothing is really immune here, Chris. You have Las Vegas, Portland, Seattle also heading lower. But what's interesting is that California is not in that mix of double dipping cities.
Which is interesting, too, because Vegas, Phoenix, and Florida especially have been hit. Well, I mean, those are the places we really known got hit.
They were hit in the beginning, and they're getting hit again.
Let's talk now about when trying to buy a new home. It's really a different landscape right now. You can't just walk in and get a loan from a bank. You have to have some serious money if you want to get in.
Yeah, you need big money up front. Back in 2007, you could get a loan for 2% down.
Yeah.
Nowadays, you need 27% down payment, so you have to pay for almost a quarter of the house up front, or even more than a quarter of the house.
Yeah, so you really have to start saving, prepare.
And you have to think long term, too. This isn't a short-term buy and flip. This is a long-term hold.
All right, Rebecca Jarvis, thank you.